Feast on authentic Moroccan cuisine, the 8 top things to do in Ouarzazate, Morocco. Those with an interest in authentic Moroccan cooking will find plenty of places to sample local delicacies. For a fine dining experience, top-ranked restaurant Le Jardin des Arômes cannot fail to impress. Expect a magical garden setting and sumptuous dishes ranging from Lebanese mezze to seafood tagines and couscous with almonds and raisins. Equally high-end option La Kasbah des Sables blends Moroccan ingredients with French culinary style, while more affordable Restaurant Douyria serves filling tagines, grilled meats and pastillas. The latter is a traditional adobe home with a terrace that boasts mesmerizing views of Taourirt Kasbah. If you'd rather people watch while enjoying your dinner, visit the street vendors and cafés in bustling Place Al-Mouahidine. Ouarzazate also has a variety of international restaurants.